You may remember I got rather excited earlier in the year with the prospect of a bright comet coming through the northern hemisphere. I did a vlog on that, Atlas, which about a month later just fizzled out as it approached the sun. So Comet Neowise has been rather a surprise for us all this year. It was discovered on the 27th of March 2020 by the Neowise space mission. Those of you that remember the WISE satellite survey mission, it was launched in 2009 and its mission was to double map the sky in infrared. It exhausted most of the coolant that was keeping the imaging instruments cold in about 2011 and was put into a period of hibernation. However, the satellite was reborn as a 2013 space mission with the goal of mapping near-Earth objects in the solar system and keeping a catalogue of potentially hazardous objects. So the discovery of the Neowise comet in March this year has been rather spectacular. When it was first picked up, it had a magnitude of around 18, but it's brightened consistently. It was just below Mag 1 when it went behind the sun at perihelion on about the 3rd of July, and since then it's brightened to be about magnitude 1 to 2 and is now clearly visible as a naked eye object in the northern hemisphere in the northern sky. It sits just below the Great Bear, or Big Dipper as it's known in the States, and is pretty clear in the early evening. As soon as it gets dark enough you can see it up in the northern sky. The comet will be circumpolar until about the 24th, 25th of July, which means it's visible all night, albeit very close to the northern horizon, and it reaches its closest point to the Earth on the night of the 23rd, 24th of July, when it comes within 103 million kilometres of Earth. When you see it in the night sky, it's got a rather beautiful tail which points away from the sun as the surface ablates, driven by the solar wind. The comet's actually got two tails. The first is a rather bluish tail, which is a bit harder to see, which consists of gas and ions. I've actually been able to find it in my image, although it's not quite as clear as this other image that I found on the web here. The second tail is more golden and it stretches out hundreds of thousands of kilometres into space in front of the comet, away from the sun. The nucleus of the comet, which is a dirty icy snowball, is about 5 kilometres across. It only comes around once every 6,800 years. It's now going to disappear out into the farther, deepest, coldest realms of our solar system, out into the Oort cloud, before it journeys back again, and who knows what conditions will be like here on Earth in 6,800 years when it comes round again. The comet's going to be around for the next few weeks, so I strongly recommend that if you've got a nice clear northern horizon that you get outside, ideally with a pair of binoculars, and try and see it. These naked eye comets or binocular objects don't occur very often, and this one is a pretty spectacular sight. So I hope to observe it myself. It's been pretty cloudy all this week, but there is a clear window forecast for this weekend on Friday night, so I need to find a place with a nice clear northern horizon where I can observe it and not too far to walk, so I can take all my kit. I'm planning to do some time-lapsing using my Canon EOS 650D, and of course I'll have my Red Cat refractor coupled with my EOS R on my Star Adventurer. While the two cameras are clicking away, I'm planning on finding a nice calm spot so I can observe the comet with my binoculars. It really is going to be a great sight and I can't wait for the weekend.
This evening I'm up on top of the Downs at Merrow, just outside Guildford, and it's lovely clear skies, and I'm hoping to image Comet Neowise. My first attempt. It's been really cloudy all week and it's Friday night, so no work tomorrow, so I can have an all-night session up here and hopefully I'm going to get great views and get some good images.
I think I'll call it a night. That's been brilliant seeing the comet. I think that's the best comet I've seen since Halley's Comet from New Zealand in 1986. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog, and I do hope that you're going to get a chance to see the comet for yourselves. It's a sight not to be missed. I had a great night up on Merrow Common, very peaceful, and it was a beautiful view out. There were several of the planets up, and the comet just kind of was absolutely spectacular. You do have to go and see it for yourself. So if you've enjoyed this vlog, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Wishing you all clear skies.